heading down the river. There's like steps there going down to the river. And Whistler Flicker you could hear in the background. Some tall poplar trees here. Tall trees and cottonwoods. And there's Baker Creek down below. Pretty soon it's gonna fill up with water during the freshet when spring really starts. Still a bit of snow laying around, but not a whole lot. And the seagulls have come back too. Just walking down this trail here. Right down by the river. I'm gonna go down there. It's a little dangerous. There we are. It goes right into the Fraser.